Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with Ztex, and today we are looking at the analysis on the stock market, Delta Airlines, and of course, we'll be talking about fundamental before we move back down to technicals, which is going to be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we can see that Delta Airlines SWOT analysis, stock overview, and revenue diversification. Delta Airlines with a market capitalization of $38.2 billion and trailing 12-month revenue of $61.9 billion remains one of the major players in the North American airline industry. This company has been navigating through a complex market environment characterized by fluctuating demand, fuel price volatility, and shifting consumer preferences, according to Investing to Analysis. Delta maintains a good overall financial health, current positioning is well among its peers as it approaches the end of 2025. Now, we have investors and analysts that are closely monitoring its performance and strategic initiatives to gauge its future prospects. And recent performance and market trend, Delta Airlines has experienced a bit of challenging year with its stock price fluctuating in response to various market factors. And the company has faced a significant setback in the first quarter of 2025 when it revised its earnings guidance downward due to 500 million revenue shortfall. And this adjustment was primarily attributed to a decline in customer and corporate confidence, coupled with increased fuel prices that impacted Delta more severely than its competitors. So the revised guidance for Q1 projected adjusted earnings per share between 0.30, which is 58.30, and 58.50, a substantial reduction from the previous estimate of 59.70 and 61.00. With adjusted revenue for the quarter was expected to range between let's say $12.9 billion and $13.1 billion, reflecting the softer demand environment. Now, we need to expect this, of course, have a bit of an important support zone, as well as a very important resistance zone to look out for. Then we have an expectation to have a reach out to turn up to a new zone at this point, which is about 60 to 100 pips from that point, of course, which is good morning. So we need to set our buyers up, get ready. An important support zone this is, and we are looking for a retracement back to this zone. Of course, the 61 zones, which from this estimation, it will be about 50 to 100 pips thereabout, if I'm so correct about this. Yes, so that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Delta Airlines. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.